Hello YouTube. It's been a while since my last video. Today I'm back with another unboxing video from TCL 55-inch QLED Roku TV. This is the first TCL product I unbox on this channel, but definitely not the first QLED TV. I've unboxed two QLED TVs from Samsung before. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss my upcoming unboxing videos. Inside the box, you'll see the 55-inch QLED TV itself, two legs for the TV, one remote control, two AA batteries, power cable, thumb screws and manual. This TV has 4 HDMI inputs including one eARC. But unfortunately, HDMI cable is not provided. This TV is huge and heavy. Although two people is recommended to unbox the TV, I managed to do it just by myself. Installing the legs is easy. The legs are versatile by the way. I ended up install the right leg on the left side because my TV stand was not long enough. What I like about this Roku remote control is the simplicity and the size. There's no numbers and other unnecessary buttons. But there are buttons to 4 most popular streaming services out there. I use 2 of them, Netflix and Disney+. Volume and mute buttons are on the right side of the remote. It took me a minute to figure that out. Now, let's power it up and see what it has to offer. But first, don't forget to remove all these sticky plastic. Thanks for watching guys. If you make it this far, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share this video. Also, feel free to follow me on my other social media. I'll see you all on my next one.